Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video I ordered this hair growth, I call it pomade or cream, something like that. I saw it trending on YouTube. Like YouTube recommended the video, and I saw another video, and I saw another video about this. So it said it's good for alopecia, thinning of edges, and the rest. You guys know I like trying things, okay? I decided to jump on it. So I just ordered it, which I'll show you guys when I'm unboxing it. Then I'll come back and apply it on camera with you, or we'll be doing like, maybe I saw a lot of 7 days, 2 weeks challenges using this particular cream on the hair, and the cream name is 2000 something something. Let me unbox it, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like after I finish unboxing it. It says Champions Chapter 2000 Hair Growth Scalp Treatment. Okay, this is it. I just finished unboxing. So you guys saw when I unboxed it. So this is what it looks like, and I need to open it, and I'll be right back. Just got a knife. I've opened it. This is what it looks like. This is a nylon. So we're gonna open. Oh wow, the smell is strong. So this is the inside, guys, of this hair. Wow, the inside is very strong. So guys, the inside is very the smell is really strong. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the inside, and I'm gonna scoop a bit. All right, nice consistency. Okay, it's nice. It's nice. Okay. All right, so we're gonna read the ingredient inside. Okay, it says it has sulfur and herbal extract formulation, maintaining healthy scalp, helps control dandruff and hair breakage. Okay, nourishes dry hair, helps control itchy scalps, makes your hair grow more manageable. Okay, equally effective to gel coils, palm head, and afro hair. Okay, so it's good for jelly coils, palm hair, and the rest. And apply strictly on your hair and your scalp. Okay, massage gently, then style your hair thread. So guys, the ingredient here says it has mentholator, it has sulfur. All right, so regularly use this product, maintains hair food nourishment. Okay, moisturize, balance, and healthy scalp treatment for fast hair growth, helps control loss, alopecia. Okay, so it says helps control hair loss, bracket alopecia. You guys know that I said that I was once battling with alopecia. So this my front edges is coming out, but it's not coming out so fast as I want it. All right guys, so when I saw this, I was like, okay, we need to get this. We need to get this and try, because I saw a lot of reviews, like 7 days challenge. I was like, my hair grew in 7 days, my hair grew in 14 days, my hair grew in 1 month, blah, 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 blah. I said, all right, I'm going to try this. So I ordered this, and it cost me 8,215 naira. That is both for delivery. I ordered this from Jumia, so it cost me 8,215. Just in case you want to order it. When I saw it, it was a bit bigger, and now I'm seeing it is so small. They said this is from Ghana. Okay, this is a Ghana product, so we are gonna try this out. It's a made in Ghana. So we're gonna try this out. I hope it's gonna help my hair to my front edges to regrow more faster. It's growing, but it's not as fast as I want. So let's apply this on my front edge. Let me get my mirror. I'm going to take generous amount and just apply it on my scalp. So guys, I've braided my hair, so I'll be dropping hair teas on how I use any hair teas on my hair as it's braided, because I'm going to be applying hair teas on my hair as it's braided. And I think I'll leave this hair for maybe a month, and just to set the hair away. I've been doing cornrows and removing it every 2 weeks, so I was like, okay, let me just do this to this braid. All right, so this today is, I'm going to show you guys the date of today. So I'm going to try this for 7 days and see what it looks like in 7 days. If I see results, I'll come and show you guys. If I don't see results, I'll wait till another 7 days. That is 2 weeks. Okay. I've applied this on my hair. So what I'll be doing, my routine will be in the morning, when I wake up in the morning, I'll apply it, but I'll have to clean my edges. And I ordered another thing, which is that is it the Motorola? Okay, I ordered the 1.5. Yeah, the one I'm using is 0.5. So I ordered 1.5. It's a bit bigger. So I've used 0.5 before. I saw a little bit of results. Let me use 1. No, I've used 0.5, I've used 1.0, so I'm going to use 1.5. Yes, so I'm going to be using 1.5 to, it's a bit bigger. The needles, I think the needles are much bigger, but when it comes, maybe I'll do a video about it. I don't know yet, but when it's arrived, that's not arrived yet. So for the routine of this, because I'm going to be incorporating that roller and this together, just in case it comes earlier. If it comes early before the 7 days elapse, I will incorporate it together. But if it comes late, then I will do another fresh video using that and this together. I hope that makes sense. So for this one, the routine will be, I'm going to be using, clean my edges. I use this. I'm not going to use clove water. I'm not going to use any other external tea or anything on my edges. I'm only going to use this. I'm only going to use this. So in the morning, I will, when I wake up in the morning, blah, 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 do whatever I want. The one I'm showering, I'll use water and wash this front area to remove the one I've applied before, and I'll apply it again. That's what I'll be doing. So guys, note, I'm not going to use clove. I'm not going to use rosemary. I'm not going to use any hair tea that we always use in the channel. I'm only going to use this. I want to see if this actually works or not, because you guys know I like trying things on the channel. Yeah. So if you watch this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comments. And yeah, guys, so this particular video will come up before our results. I don't know, I will check how many minutes this video is. If it's longer, it will come up before our result. If it's short, I will just wait and add everything together with the results. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So right now I'm feeling a little bit of sensation, just a little, not much. When I saw the review, and they were like, there'll be a lot of sensation, but I'm not feeling it, but I'm just feeling a little bit of sensation. But anyway, we'll see how tomorrow is gonna look like. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay subscribed to the channel, okay, for more DIY clips like this. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.